Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, this is a little unexpected, but I almost have 500 gems, which makes it so, go down here, you can almost buy this. One common, one rare, one epic, one legendary. And 4 random parts. Technically royal jelly. Because I don't think it does commons. So this is the stage that I get my gems on. Because I usually get about like 10 to 15 gems per ride. Sometimes I get more. Yeah, I missed the gem. Go, got the gem. Yes, got another. 489. Okay. Missed that one. Let's just go backwards and grab that. Oh, that was close. Let's grab that. 492. 493. Yeah, 494. Barely 494. 495. I missed. Going backwards. $497. $498. $499. You know what? This needs to be a nostalgic moment. Oh, you're fine. This needs to be a nostalgic moment. A very nostalgic moment. What, what? Very nostalgic. $500. We did it. We got 500. We got 500. Oh my god. What just happened? Anyway. 1 legendary part. 1 epic part. 1 rare part. 4 royal jellies. And 1 common. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Whoa, it's golden! It is golden! Okay, that's my common. Rare. Oh, another common. Rare. Epic. And a legendary. That's not new. 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, yes. These stuff are just useless. Nothing useful. So for some reason they're thinking that this monster is new, which it's not. Wait, tune. Oh. Why that? No. Okay, so Diesel 6 Torque. No idea what Torque means, but let's equip it. Okay, anyway, we go really fast. Oh, this is countryside. Wrong stage. Oh, and look at this. It's still rolling even though it's upside down. That's how big it is. Watch this M. It goes really fast. Still not as fast as the motocross bike, but still fast. Definitely not the results I wanted. That's pretty sad. I didn't get the results that I wanted. So, I wanted the electric zap. Oh well, I guess we're gonna have to grind a lot to get the electric zap. You know what? I'm just gonna keep holding this. Well, that didn't. Oh. It's still going, even though I have a driver down. That's pretty funny. Funny. While we have the money, let's just buy some vehicles. You know, because we get gifts. Almost famous. Now that is a lot of vehicles. Okay. Oh, we got a V6. Why do they always say it's new when it's not? I am getting horrible stuff. After all this, street, but that's still really bad. Okay, Diesel 6. Definitely not the vehicles I was expecting to get. I mean, definitely not the things I was expecting to get. Hey, but at least I bought some cars. That just brings me closer on the journey to get everything. That just brings me on the journey to get everything. Anyway, guys, like and subscribe. Bye.